Alright, here we are. I'm gonna put the carburetor on the bike. This is your intake manifold right here. That's the little rubber ring I was talking about earlier, gasket. It's got to go, the split side goes on the outside of this. So just carefully put it on there. Make sure you get it. It's not rolled under or anything like that. It goes around. The inside lip is on the inside and the outside lip's on the outside. There, it should fit on there just like that. Run your finger around, make sure it feels good, not wrinkled. Then, on our carburetor, we've got a vacuum line that attaches to this, which is right there. I gotta pull that cap off. Well, it's on there really good. Now, we get our throttle cables in. One cable with the spring goes in the front. Or not, sorry, I take that back. The one with the spring goes in the back. Like that. Attaches. Twist it, put it in there. This front one's a pain. Oh, come on. Alright. Put our vacuum line on. Carburetor slides in there. Oops. Get our choke cable sent through. Get it routed where it goes. Get this fuel line out of the way for Okay, then okay. Alright, put the choke cable up where it belongs. Carburetor is seated in the rubber boot. It's supposed to be. And we will route our drain line accordingly. Down through here. Away from exhaust. Like that. Then I'll have to put the gasket on here with the air cleaner. I've got to locate the rest of his parts for his air cleaner. I think he's missing some pieces. So for right now, folks, until I get everything located, I'm going to take a break. And when I find everything, I'll be back. We'll go through this some more. Have a great day.